Okay, so finally, we are on project 3. Project 3 is obviously a lot more advanced. That's the whole point, I guess. And a really interesting project to do. We'll be using quite a lot of the same tools, introducing a few new ones. So we'll be starting off with the usual ChatGPT and prompts, but we're going to develop a much more advanced script, and we're going to be using that script for separate scenes. We're going to potentially put all of this into Airtable if that's a tool that you like, or your own tool, that's absolutely fine, but you can see how I do it. We're going to be using the usual 11 labs to generate a voiceover. Then we're also going to be using Playground AI or Blue Willow, whichever one you prefer, in developing characters and scenes that we've generated through ChatGPT, and we use with Airtable. We're then going to be using a tool called Pika AI to generate a movement in those scenes, much more advanced movements. And I'm also going to show you how to get past the limitations of Pika in the length of each scene that you can generate. How to use that. Then we're going to be putting all that into CapCut, or again your own software that you prefer to use. And then we're going to be finding some free background music that that has been generated through ChatGPT, to use some ideas there, and then using that into CapCut as well, and developing such a much more advanced AI generated animation. As usual, make sure that you share your projects, make sure that you follow along, and that you put that project into this chat to share with the other members of the community. It'd be really interesting to see what comes out of this. This is a really exciting level of animation that can be generated, and I'm sure there can be some really stunning pieces of work